In this video, you will learn step-by-step instructions on how to add a domain, verify it, and authenticate the domain in your MailerLite account. I promise you, this will be the only video you will ever need to add your custom domain to the MailerLite account. Let's get started. I have created a test MailerLite account for creating this video. To add a domain, click on Account Settings, and within Account Settings, click on the Domains tab. Now, click on Add Domain button. The MailerLite application will ask you to enter an email ID. Make sure you enter the email ID associated with your domain name. Here, I have already created an email ID for my domain name. I will type hello@salesmarketingideas.ga. This is the free domain name I created for this tutorial purpose. If you would like to grab a free domain name, I will share the link in the description section of this video. Please note that I am not affiliated with this domain name service provider, nor am I being paid by them to advertise this service. Before you proceed, ensure that the email ID you are about to enter is working and that it can receive an email. Now that I have entered an email ID, I will click on Save. On clicking Save, you should receive a verification email to your email ID. If you see here, the domain got added to my account. If you do not receive the verification email, you can click on Recent Verification. I will now go to my email account and verify my email ID. Here is the email. I will click on Verify Email Address and get my email ID verified. Once done, you can go back to your MailerLite account and refresh the page. If you followed all the steps correctly, you should see the verified message on the screen under the verification column. Now that we are done adding a domain and verifying that, let's authenticate the domain. Note that authenticating your domain is optional. However, it is highly suggested that you authenticate your custom domain to improve your deliverability rates. It also increases the chance of your email landing in the recipient's inbox rather than the spam or junk folder. Follow the below steps to authenticate your domain. To do that, you will need to add 2 records to the DNS page of your domain. I will quickly show you how to do that. Click on Authenticate button. If you see here, MailerLite is asking us to create a CNAME record and a text record. I will go to my hosting service provider where my DNS records are being maintained. I am using DreamHost hosting service provider, which I have used for the last 2 to 3 years, and all my websites are hosted here. It has got many features that you won't find it anywhere else. One of the features is a free SSL certificate, and the exciting thing is that the certificate will auto-renew, one less thing to keep track of, and they offer a 97-day money-back guarantee. It is worth a try. Anyway, this video is not sponsored by DreamHost. However, if you would like to try their service, I have added a link in the description. If you are using a different hosting service provider, the UI will be different for you. Please visit your hosting service provider's help section to understand how to edit the DNS record. Now that I am in the DNS tab, I will first add a CNAME record. I will click on Add Record and select CNAME. Next, I will copy the name and paste it here. Make sure you do not add your domain name again if it already exists. Since the domain name is already present here, I will remove the domain name from the text. Next, I will copy the value and paste it here. Once done, I will click on Add Record. If you are still here and finding value in this video, can you please support me by clicking the like and subscribe button? Now that we are done adding a CNAME record, let's add a text record. To do that, I will again click on Add Record, and this time I will select a text record. Now I will copy the name and paste it here. Since this name already exists here, I will remove it. I will now copy the value and paste it here. I will click on Add Record. The records are being updated in the DNS, and it will take some time to process the DNS updates. Once you receive the success message, go back to your MailerLite account and click on Check DNS Records. If you followed the steps correctly, You should see the text authenticated with the green tick under the authentication column. This is all you need to start sending your email campaigns using your verified domain name. This will add credibility to your emails and increases the chance of conversion and deliverability. I hope this video helped you overcome an obstacle. If you found value in this video, please support me by clicking the like and subscribe button. This will help the YouTube algorithm to suggest to other users who need help, which in turn will encourage me to create more videos like this. If you are interested in creating a MailerLite account, I have added a link in the description that will provide you with a free account for up to 1000 subscriber list and 12,000 monthly emails. Thank you.